Hi, this is Kevin. Welcome to my tutorial on updating Anaconda on macOS. Okay, and this is something that we do in several scenarios. One, even the first time we install Anaconda, we're going to run an update. That's because, and this is true of a lot of software. Um, the the software distribution that you download and install is always a little bit out of date compared to the latest and greatest that's available through the update cycle. Okay, so even the first time we install it, the first thing we're going to do is run it in update. The next thing that could happen is that time's gone by. A semester has gone by, a quarter's gone by, a year's gone by, and you have Anaconda installed and you want to use it, okay, you want to use virtual environments created with it, or you want to create new virtual environments, well, you're going to want to update Anaconda. Another thing that can happen, it happens in our courses from time to time, software just starts to misbehave. And one of the things that I come to suspect is our Anaconda virtual environment has become corrupted. And one thing that I recommend to solve this is to go and update Anaconda and then recreate the virtual environments from the new updated Anaconda. Okay, so those are the use cases. So how do you do it? We do it at the command line. Okay, and so in the video where we installed Anaconda, we created an icon for the terminal program in the dock. So we're going to click on that and open terminal. Okay, and as you can see, because Anaconda is properly installed, um, when you open a command line terminal, the base virtual env is already activated. Okay. All right. So how are we going to remember the conda command to do an update? Well, um, in the installing Anaconda video, I introduced the content cheat sheet, and right here I just have it on my desktop, but it should be available to you. There should be a link there in your weekly schedule from which you're either able to open this or find a place from which to download it. Okay, so let's see. Um, we have two things. So conda info, we haven't done that. And then uh, update the conda in the base environment. Okay. We want to do a conda update all. Here we go. Let's just do a conda update all. Okay. So let's shrink this. Okay, and we're just going to type conda space update dash dash all. Enter. Now, how long is this going to take? Well, this is really going to depend on how fast your computer is and how fast your connection is to the net. And then on top of that, how busy the Conda site is. Okay. So I'm going to get this started along and we're going to see the character of it. And then at a certain point, I'm going to pause so you're not going to be watching paint dry. Okay, so let's see. It found a bunch of packages that it wanted to update. Okay, so these are all packages that had a newer version. available at Conda headquarters than we just installed if you just did the install. Okay. And so do we want to proceed? We're going to do Y enter for yes. And now we're going to see a bunch of downloading. And it's going to go pretty fast for me because it's a holiday week. I have a fast computer and I have a fast connection. But it may go a lot slower for you. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this here and I'm going to come back when that's all done. Okay, we're back. Now, even on my machine, and again, this is a holiday week, so, well, um, it's right before the Christmas holiday. So, I think this is probably a slow day for the Anaconda folks. This all for the download and the install took about 10 minutes. So a while. So it might take that long on your machine. It might take a lot longer. All right. But when it's all done, it says it's done. And then it pauses a while to be really done. And then it gives you back the prompt. So what could we do? Well, we could do Conda info. Let me get back in that window. So Conda info. And Conda info kind of tells you a lot of stuff about Conda. Okay, so the Conda build version, the Conda version, we'd seen that before, the Conda build version. One of the things is it tells you where all of your environments are. And again, we only have the base environment. So mine is in my home directory under Anaconda. Within my home directory, it's in a subdirectory called Anaconda 3. Okay, and of course, if we go down here, if we said conda env list, it'll show me all the ends and where they are. And then you can see I only have the base conda virtual env, and it's in users my ID Anaconda 3 subdirectory. Okay, so we've successfully done the update, and that's going to be it for the video. The next one in this series is creating a virtual environment using Anaconda. So I'm going to say bye until next time. Bye-bye.